Chasing your 426A Construction Millwright Certificate of Qualification in Ontario? This is the last mile playbook. It's non-compulsory and, unlike most trades, not red seal, but that means it qualifies for the $2,000 completion bonus. We cover hours in logbook, eligibility, booking, the exam, prep, exam day, and what changes the day you pass. 8 sections, start to finish. The placement problem and the voluntary question, your hours and logbook, STO eligibility, booking the exam, what's on it, how to prep, exam day, and what changes after you pass. Skip ahead to whatever you need. Millwright work is non-compulsory, but the ticket unlocks manufacturer training, pre-qualification, and the $2,000 bonus. Here's the hack. Sign up at aecstack.com, run the setup, and open deal flow. See which plant expansions and distribution centers just launched. If you're still looking, walk in on a shop you know just won a project. If you're already on a crew, take the jobs coming to your boss. 7,280 work hours, 720 in school, 3 levels, about 4.5 years, one of the longest apprenticeships. Get every competency and sub-skill signed with a real date, and watch 2 that go unlogged: welding hours and precision alignment hours. Eligibility needs all 3 school levels passed, 7,280 hours logged, all competencies signed, and your sponsor's final attestation in. Expect 4 to 8 weeks of lag. If it stalls past 8 weeks, phone STO at 647-847-3000. Don't email. Book at portal.skilledtradesontario.ca. Pay the fee first, $169.50, enter your STO ID, pick a date and center. First attempt is free for post-2025 completers. Toronto runs 4 to 6 weeks, regional centers often 1 to 2. Don't book before you're ready. Multiple choice, 70% to pass, closed book. Good news, STO publishes a 426A counseling sheet with real unit weightings. Read it. The biggest blocks are common occupational skills, about 22%, material handling, about 17%, and power transmission, about 13%. CSA Z460 lockout-tagout is the top fail safety code. The counseling sheet tells you the weightings, so prep to them. Drill alignment math, soft foot and dial indicator readings, power transmission math, bearings, and hydraulic schematics. Drill CSA Z460. Buy the code. Plan 4 to 8 weeks. Bring photo ID and your printed authorization to test letter. The center provides a calculator and reference excerpts. Your phone, books, and code books get confiscated. The power transmission and alignment math eat time, so budget for them and keep moving. Pass or fail shows on screen. No red seal here. 426A is provincial only, but that means you qualify for the $2,000 completion bonus. File within 180 days. Add CWB welding tickets and manufacturer training, then consider the 433A upgrade for red seal and permanent implant work. Your union is the UBC Millwright Regional Council. That's the last mile to your 426A. The full written guide is at aecstack.com. Sign up, run the setup, and find the work with deal flow. Next up is 404C Painter. Drop your situation in the comments. I read them.